Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another Sephora unboxing, and it wasn't that long ago that I unboxed the July beauty box. This is the August beauty box, and I had to stop myself from getting another one because they've been listening to us and they've added loads more products to the beauty box subscription. Over the last couple of months or so, it has been lacking some great products now and again, but the amount to choose from has been lacking somewhat, so there's loads there. You can get a one-off box for £13.95 and that includes shipping, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, which reduces the cost a bit. A 12-month subscription is £11.95. They do have a running offer. If you take out a 12-month subscription, you're able to get your first box for £4.95. I like to dip in and out, so I've got that freedom of getting one whenever I want, but I can skip a month or so and yeah, no commitment. You can choose 5 items in each box. You will see a little tick box whether you want to have this bag or not. If you are a regular subscriber, then you might take that off because there's only so many of these bags that you will want, maybe. I always opt for the bag, they're handy. Plus, you might have heard me say before, but I give little beauty treats to my friends and family in these little bags as well. So yeah, I'll always tick for the bag, and I'm able to share with you as well. I'll pop a link to the beauty box down below in my description, as well as the pick and mix sample service, which is free. Just pay £3.95 shipping, and you get to choose 5 samples, but think little 1ml perfumes or like sachets of different skincare. So really small sample sizes, but essentially they're free because that £3.95 then gets credited onto your account. You can't use that against the beauty box or the pick and mix. You can use it and stack it up for any other products on the website. So I'll link both of those down below, as well as my own code. I have a 20% off code. Again, not able to use it on the beauty box or the pick and mix, but site-wide you can use it. I'll pop that down there, and any other offers and freebies. I believe at the moment they have got a free gift with a spend. If you spend £100 over the next day or two, then you will receive a free beauty bag, which is added at checkout, full of beauty products worth £100. If that is still running, then you'll find links to it down there as well. So yeah, so I think that's it. Oh, I forgot to say, this is only available in the UK. I know. But anyway, let's get on to showing you then what I chose. I'm going on a little short break with a friend of mine in a couple of weeks' time. With that in mind, these are the products that I've chosen to take away with me, except for one, which I'll show you first. It's a mask. It's a middle of your face mask for a smoother looking blurred skin. After a single application, pores look visibly reduced. This butterfly shaped mask targets visible pores in the nose and cheek area. And then it goes on to tell you how to use it. This is by Aborian. I'm obsessed with Aborian. I absolutely love them. I have got on my face today the CC cream, and it's the Skin Perfector CC cream. I haven't tried it before. I had a small version to give it a try. I'm currently doing an Instagram reel, which I'll pop on here as well as stories, but it's just trying out all the oh, here it is. There, because I just used it beforehand. There. And I got it in shade Claire. I've got a few different Aborian products, and I thought it'd be really good to do a short video just showing you half and half of me trying everyone out. I blimmin' love that. It's just given my skin really nice natural glow. I love it. It's the first time I've used that particular one. Anyway, enough about my obsession with Aborian. I fancied this. I have got texture. My middle of my face is not my favourite part of my face at all. I've got large pores. And yeah, I just don't like it. So I thought that would be really, really nice. Nice to try, see if it makes a difference. So yeah, I'm not going to take that on holiday with me. Next up, something for my hair, and I love this. I've had the full-size version of this, so I thought a little mini one, perfect. This is by Matrix. This is Total Results 20 Miracle Creator. There's 30 mils there. And my hair really, really likes it. It's heat protection spray, and obviously 19 other benefits as well. It doesn't tell me on here, but it just says spray onto your damp hair and then just dry, comb through and style as normal. Multitasking treatment. Yeah, that's all it says on it. But I use it as a heat protection spray, and it is really, really nice. Really nice. So that is definitely coming away with me. I'm going to make an us, by the way. If any of you lot have been, let me know. Must do things to see or to go to. I'd love to hear. It's my first time. Then I got some micellar water from Lumine. I love this brand. I've been a huge fan of this brand for years and years. This is the Pure Arctic Miracle 3-in-1 micellar cleansing water, and there's 50 mils there. Micellar water is always handy. Handy as a first step at removing makeup or to swipe over my face in the morning after coming out of a shower. I do thorough cleanses before I go to bed, so in the morning I don't need to do another thorough cleanse then. So it's good just to like swipe over, make sure all the bits of grease and everything has gone from my face. But also really handy, cotton wool pads if you've made a mistake with your makeup. Liquid eyeliner, I'm thinking. I can go under it with micellar water, clean it up really nice and easy. So yeah, I really like that. It's a nice little pot as well. Then I got some Oskia London, and these are vitamin C capsules. This is the Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsules. That's the outer packaging. And it's a little tub of 7. I've got the full size of this. And I love it. I absolutely love it. My skin loves it. My skin looks brighter and fresher. Yeah, handy little shape. You just squeeze off the top and then just apply it to your skin. I always wear high SPF whenever I go on holiday, and I top up throughout the day with a spray as well. Because my face sweats quite a lot, more than my body, which, oh, I've gone on and on about it in other videos. I don't want to bore you. But the sweat then gets rid of makeup and my SPF, and then I get pigmentation. So I vitamin C. Yeah, I need vitamin C all the time. And then lastly, I got a mascara. And I don't think I've ever tried this one before. Extreme Lash Mascara. There's a few mascaras in the selection on the beauty box at the moment. I didn't know which to go for. I love Benefit. I really love Benefit, but I've got a few little Benefit minis here. No, I don't think I have tried this. I absolutely adore Hourglass. Oh my gosh, the ambient lighting range is my favourite blush, bronze, highlighters. Oh, I just love it. I love it. This one, it looks promising. So we'll see what that is like. Caution, Extreme Lash Mascara. So there you go, those are all the products I've chosen. And yeah, I can't remember now what else I wanted. There is a lot there. I can't remember. I only ordered these on Monday. It's Wednesday today, so hopefully if you get to watch this tonight, then there's still lots of products available if you want to have a look, that is. But I got an Eborian middle of the face mask. I got a Matrix 20 Benefits hairspray, Caution Extreme Lengths Mascara by Hourglass, Pure Arctic Miracle 3-in-1 Micellar Water by Lumine, and Super C Vitamin C Capsules by Oskia London. Really chuffed with my choices. Cost me £13.95, and yeah, I'm gonna use them all, which is really good, and comes in this little bag. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of my choices? Have you had a look on the Sephora website? What do you think of the extra products? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.